Here is the 66 427 side oiler engine. It says in there that it's a 427. It says on the back of the block that it is a 66 427, and it's got the scratch mark next to it, so it's a scratch block. It's got the 3 plugs, so it has been drilled and tapped for hydraulic lifters. This motor is running the solid lifters or the shell lifters in it. It has well, let's go to the driver's side. So it has the cross-bolted block. So it's got the blocks along the cross bolts for the main caps in the side of it, and it has the side oiler galley, which is what we're looking at there, with the oil plugs in it. So that rib along the side of the block is where it makes the side oiler, with those plugs plugging the oil ways to give the priority oiling to the bottom end. This motor is in tough shape. It's got some cylinder walls that show some heavy scoring, which I've shown in some of my photographs of the motor, and I can really catch a fingernail on some of this heavy scoring inside these cylinder walls. What's really of concern that might be the cause of this scoring in the cylinders, go ahead and turn it over, Vance. When you turn this over, and he's trying to turn this over as smoothly as he can, and it's literally feeling like a seized motor that's going as you're turning it. And if I put a finger on a piston, like the ones that are scored, while he's turning it over, I can feel chatter coming up through this piston as we're turning it over. We'll talk more about this.